Hi. Over the last decade, India's coffee consumption has increased to 40%. And among this, close to 60% is from the southern states. So here's my long overdue post on coffee where I'll be addressing the top 5 most common queries related to gut and liver health. Coffee is one of the most common beverages consumed across the world. It's a part of our daily morning routine, friendly conversations, and boardroom conferences. I think the word coffee as such, or coffee breaks and coffee shops, have now become an integral part of our lives. So, question number one: does coffee cause gastritis and acid reflux? So, if you have been diagnosed with acid reflux based on an endoscopy, or you have severe gastritis and under medication with a gastro specialist, then my suggestion would be to completely avoid caffeine if possible, or limit your intake to 2 standard cups or close to 200 ml per day. The average adult recommendation of coffee is around 4 cups of coffee per day. Beyond that is kind of detrimental. Now, coffee is known to increase your gastric acid production and also relaxes the esophageal sphincter between your esophagus and stomach. So, if you already are suffering from acid reflux and gastritis, this could worsen your condition. Question 2: is coffee related to gut and liver cancers? The WHO, or the World Health Organization, has clearly stated that consuming coffee confers no increased risk of cancer. In fact, a study in 2017 has proved that coffee consumption can decrease your risk of cancers such as colon cancer, liver cancer, and even breast cancer. Question 3: instant versus filter coffee. Now, this is the most commonly asked query. So, basically, you need to understand that filter coffee is brewed coffee with the powder of roasted and ground coffee beans. Whereas in instant coffee, the coffee powder is made by dehydrated and dried coffee beans. So, instant coffee, 1 cup contains close to 60 grams of caffeine when compared to filter coffee, which contains around 90 grams of caffeine. So, instant coffee may be having a strong taste, it could be a very strong color, but it packs a very little punch. Another word of caution is that instant coffee contains a substance which is called acrylamide, which if consumed in large quantities, can cause some amount of neuronal damage and also has a risk of cancers in the long run. So basically, I am a staunch filter coffee person. Question number 4: chicory in coffee. So now you need to understand that chicory is a powder from the root of a dandelion plant called the chicory. For centuries, it has been added to coffee to get that dark color and the robust taste. Now, chicory has a prebiotic which is called inulin. So, this aids in digestion, it helps to relieve constipation, and is also considered to be good for gut health. But not all people can be tolerant of chicory. It has been known to cause gaseous distension, bloating, gastric issues, migraine, and even severe allergic reactions. And if you are pregnant or lactating, I would suggest please stay away from chicory coffee. Question number 5: cancer and liver health. Now, here's the good news. The Canadian Liver Association and the British Liver Society have, in fact, stated that consuming 2 to 4 cups of coffee is very good for your liver. That is black coffee. So, it can help to regress liver cirrhosis, fatty liver disease, and also is considered to decrease the incidence of liver related cancers. So, although coffee is considered to be rich in antioxidants like vitamin B3, B5, potassium, and manganese, it should not be glorified into a detoxifying tool. So, excessive coffee consumption can result in a lot of problems like anxiety, tremors, sleep disturbances, and even result in a fast heartbeat and a lot of gastric issues. So, don't douse your coffee with sugar and milk because it's only going to counteract its benefits. Have it with a dash of it, or best is to take it black. I personally start my day with a good strong dose of filter coffee. So remember, good ideas start with brainstorming, great ideas begin with coffee. Stay safe and keep the queries coming. Bye.